YouTube, your TikTok barber. Hey, before I do this video, man, I'm recording this intro that I'm speaking on right now on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I did not shoot my tutorial with my iPhone 12 Pro Max because it's just the point of, my camera from my iPhone, it's a little grainy, a little pixelated or whatever you want to call it. But everybody have iPhones. Everybody that does have iPhones know what I'm talking about. I got a new camera. We doing the thing real good and everything, you know what I'm saying? The quality of the other camera that I'm using, I'm not gonna tell you guys what camera I'm using because I want you guys to ask me in the comment section. Your TikTok barber, what type of camera is that? I mean, because man, oh my God, the camera's off the chain. But like I said, this the iPhone 12 Pro Max that I'm recording on. And here's the other camera that I'm recording on right here. Let's get it. Now guys, you already know. This camera that I'm on right now is the camera that I did the tutorial with. Man, this camera is off the chain. A camera that I'm gonna mess with because it have a lot of features that I like. For example, it have motion detection, I can move this way. Check me out, I'm moving. Camera moving by itself. Then I can move this way. So either way it go when I'm doing a haircut, man, I can walk around, do the haircut. Next thing you know, the camera gonna follow my subject. Or whatever I presented, the camera to follow. Because I can literally just walk up, sit in the seat, the camera will follow me. So yeah, we just gonna keep it like that, bro, because hey, all my other videos, they okay. They're okay with the iPhone or whatever, but the iPhone, it's not really just fitting me right now. So we just gonna keep it coach steady. We're gonna keep it real, we're gonna keep it going like that, What's good, YouTube? It's your TikTok barber. Today in this video, I will be doing a high taper fade, but you really can't tell it's a fade, but it's a taper fade. But anyway, everything gonna be like how I usually do it, how I actually explain it in all my videos. But I just wanted to show you guys in this video right here that my camera quality is A1. I'm not gonna tell you guys what camera I use. It's not the iPhone. I'm not using the iPhone no more, so be aware of that. But let's just get into the video and just see how this quality turned out. You know what I'm saying? First, I got a number 1 blade from a BGRC, slapped it on my BGRCs Plus, and I just went against the grain because his father said go against the grain with the haircut. So I went against the grain with the haircut and made everything just so evenly as possible. But let's just check this video out and just see how much further we can go with this video, because at the end, you're going to be like, oh my God, I should have stuck around because, hey, the end is fire. So let's just get into it. Your TikTok barber. Alright guys, after I slide all this hair off your head, the only thing I'm gonna do right now is just brush all the excess hair down, because I want everything to be laid down, because I'm about to lay this haircut on my platform. So I want to just bust that platform open and just get their haircut going, because hey man, at the end of the video is gonna be fire. So I always keep that brush in your hand after you cut the client's hair down. Then after that, I might grab my comb, every now and then to just see how the fade come about. But I always remember that comb is your best friend. So we're just gonna keep it copacetic and real. And come on now, let's just get into this video. If you stuck around long enough, please hit that subscribe button, because your boy need more followers, need more subscribers. Hey man, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you already subscribed to the channel, you already know to leave a comment. So hey, if you don't want to leave a comment, I ain't really just messed up about it, because we finna get this haircut on the road, bro. Let's get it. 2023, your TikTok barber. Let's get it. Yep, I am back. The first thing you guys see me do before I even start the haircut, I cut it down to number 1 against the grain. Then I put my first initial guidelines in. When I put my first initial guidelines in, I went all the way around the head because, I want to make sure all my first initial guidelines, is equal. Then I came back open with my OA blade off of my BGRCs Plus, just to make that second primary line. Because, the first primary line laid from the initial guideline, then the second initial guideline is the primary line. Now I got my guards on. I'm just cleaning up. But before I put my guards on, I went with my 1 blade closed and no start to erase that primary guideline. And then, you know what I'm saying, I faded up because I got that one fade up technique going on because, you know what I'm saying, hey, every barber is different the way they cut hair. So, I want to repeat that. Every barber is different the way they cut hair. Then after I got through with the secondary initial guideline, then I put my zeros on, and then I started to knock down that buck because that buck was a little heavy. So I just wanted to take that weight off, and I started to fade down a little further. So you can see the fade take effect. So let's just get into it. Your TikTok barber, come on now, let's get it. All right, guys, this side the same way, you know what I'm saying? Like I said before, you know, I started with the first initial guideline, then I grabbed my 08, slapped them on my BGRCs, went up an inch, and you know what I'm saying? I just want to bust that panel out because I'm going to come back with my wall 5-star clippers because, you know what I'm saying, I just want to fade within that primary line. So, you know what I'm saying, I'm the type of barber that fades up as I go because I don't want to make initial guidelines then have to fade down. Man, it's like you double working yourself. So I fade as I cut because, you know what I'm saying, at the end of that fade, I want to be able to slap that line on him so he can go ahead and go, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, I do a lot of detail work, but it's just the point of, you know what I'm saying, I do detail as I cut. So if you guys stuck around long enough, man, just hit that subscribe button because there will be more content to come. And, you know, look at the quality of that video, man. The quality is off the chain. YouTube, here I come, you know what I'm saying? Because I used to be on YouTube all the time. I used to be on YouTube all the time trying to find out what type of camera to use, what type of lighting to use. Yeah, I have 2 ring lights, but you know what I'm saying? It wasn't the light, man. It was my phone. So other than that, you know, I had to get the right kind of camera, the right gear and everything, man. Just look at that quality of that video, man. I can't wait to upload this to YouTube. If you stuck around long enough, please hit that subscribe button. Your TikTok barber. Let's get it. Guys, I can't not get over the quality of this video, man, because you know what I'm saying, this is fire, dog. But if you want to know what type of camera I bought for the get this type of quality, man, ask me in the comment section because I'm not just going to tell you guys what type of camera I'm using. I want you guys to ask me what type of camera am I using in the comment section because, you know, I'll be spoiling the whole thing. But with further ado, you know what I'm saying, look how I'm laying that haircut down, man, because, you know, my iPhone, it was getting a little grainy every time. You know, like when you record with just the regular iPhone camera, it's like it's got a little pixelated, grainy, I don't know, fixations in it. But you know what I'm saying? Other than that, man, hey, when I got this camera right here, when I got this camera right here, bro, man, oh my God. It took me to a whole new level because, you know what I'm saying, that level took me to that level. And next thing you know, I'm on YouTube level doing videos and oh my God, the quality. That's I might even thumbnail this called the quality cut. The quality cut. Yeah, that's what it is. But let's just get into it and enjoy this video. Alright guys, if you stuck around long enough, you already know the edge up is my very favorite part of the haircut. Without the edge up, there's no haircut because, you know what I'm saying, the haircut separates itself from the edge up. What I mean by that, you know what I'm saying, you want to lay that fresh fade first. Then after you lay that fresh fade, make sure you do your detail work. After your detail work, then you want to present the edge up. But with the edge up itself, it's like separates the whole thing from the haircut because, you know what I'm saying, the edge up and the haircut have to match. Yes, I know what I'm talking about. It have to match because you don't want to have a nice fade but a pushback edge up, come on now, or a nice edge up and a messed up fade. Either or, you know what I'm saying, but either way it go, you know what I'm saying, you want it to match up because, you know, contour to his head is the way I cut his hair because, you know what I'm saying, I push clients back in the day, but you know what I'm saying, you have to learn from your mistakes. So this is the mistakes that I learned from right here by being a master barber, and I just keep my stuff going. But other than that, man, look at that edge up, man. Them clippers really don't take much. And no, I did not use no enhancement. So this video is the first video that I did with my brand new camera. And I just want to see how the original style of me not adding enhancements in my client's hair. So what you see is what you get, man. You already see that edge up on the side. Look, I'm going behind the ears and everything. Make sure I got a clean edge up behind the ears. But with further ado, let's just go and get to the end of this video because, you know what I'm saying, YouTube, there will be more content coming. So let's get it. All right, YouTube, like I said, It's a high taper fade, but it don't look like a high taper fade because I did on a little child. But this is the final results, and I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Peace.